way you examine the trapezius is it's a muscle which has a free edge, and I've run a bit low there. The free edge is up here, and if what I do is I take my thumb and I roll the muscle forward and tuck my index finger underneath, I have now got the trapezius muscle pinched between thumb and forefinger, and this is how you find that trigger. It's a large trigger, and it has many little component parts to it, and so you can often feel there's a thickening in this area. As you run your finger or your thumb along like this, you can feel bands running across. That's where that first trigger is. Once you find the trigger, now I'm doing this from his back, but I would tend to do it like this, and I would have talked. I'll say, you let me know when it's sore. If I'm digging away here and he's in agony there, you're not doing a great job. So I do this, I dig in, I look, and we keep in good communication. When I've got the trigger between my fingers, and this isn't hard to find, then I make sure that that's sore, and then I reduce the pressure to below the pain threshold, and I follow the ischemic pressure principle. If you want to brush up on that, just click the link below. Once this is turned off, we can go to the second trigger, and you see again, my thumb goes there, my index finger runs underneath, and I lift. The muscle here, the muscle bulk is smaller, and again, the trigger tends to be in the free edge of the muscle. Again, if I find a trigger here, I will follow the same ischemic principles.
If you found this video useful and want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification bell.